And of course, our media friends have been waiting one by one. Anthony?
Yes, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito and sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa live. And magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sana po enjoy mo ang gabi.
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for coming tonight. Yes, like Anthony said, we're joining tayo tonight. Thank you so much for coming. We're so excited to bring you good news about the show. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat at pasensya na medyo na-delay tayo ng kaunti. Well, sabay-sabay naman tayong dumating dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi at ayun po, it's gonna be a wonderful night.
Sir Jay?
Maraming salamat po sa pagdating at panonood pa rin ng Incognito.
Yes, good evening everyone. Maraming salamat at sinamahan niyo kami dito sa mid-season MediaCon ng Incognito. We are very excited na ipakita sa inyo ang mga susunod na kabanata sa Incognito. Maraming salamat.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for making the time to be here tonight. Yeah, let's have fun, and we can't wait to show you guys what else is in store for you all with Incognito. So thank you for being here.
Good evening, everyone. I'm grateful to be with all of you here. Yeah, let's just enjoy this evening and have a great interaction with everybody here sa venue and sa mga nanonood live.
Thank you po. And hopefully, Ian po is coming very soon. Actually, nakaparachute po siya sa taas po siya ng building. Joke lang. Lapit na po siya dumating. So, mid-season, halfway through the season, you guys have been unstoppable, grabe. From El Nido to Matera, Italy, to Baguio to Itugon. We're really, really excited where you guys are gonna be coming off soon. So, for everybody curious just like me, please watch this.
Ito kayo pupunta sa summit of Mount Talimba. We'll be at the south entrance within an hour. Let's go to the summit fast. Doon yung matatagpuan si Sanaya Patel.
Kaya yung sinasabi niya.
Sinabi ko na sa'yo, ayusin mo yung pintik mo! Tumparay! Inuputok mo! Approximately 260 meters. Hindi tayo pwede sa south, nandun ang mga kalaban. Kapag umikot pa tayo, abutin tayo ng 3 oras sa daan. You're calling me. Pero ba yan?
Paano ko pa mabubuo pamilya ko? Ano mo nagawa ko ngayon? Nakapatay ako, Andres.
Kaya mo tinanong ang kidnap for ransom na kontrata. Yan ba naisip mo na hindi ka konektado sa kanya? Na hindi ka konektado kay Raven? Dapat tinulungan ni James. Ganun trabaho.
Hindi ba mahirap yung portray ng ganong klaseng mysterious character?
Actually, it's also a mystery to me. No, really, because in the character evolves, as it evolves, I'm also in the process of discovering dahan-dahan mo lang nakikita as an actor, past na yung nakaraan. And it's a journey to not just self-discovery, but also to discover me.
Si Daisy.
Yun. Yes.
Actually, I just asked everybody kung ano yung pakiramdam ninyo na 4 months na kayo kumikili. Ay top 10, ay palagi kayong most watched na Chris and I Want TFC. Ano yung masasabi mo sa audience? Thank you.
Ako lagi na ang kausap ko na, sinusubaybayan na nag-thank you ako sa kanila. Kasi nga, hindi namin expected na gano'n maganda yung resulta. And lahat ko mga hindi pa nahuhok, sinasabi ko na, kung ayaw niyong mahuhusawan sa'yo, huwag niyo na simulan. Kasi mahuhok talaga kayo. When you see, like 3 to 4 episodes, wala na, hindi niyo mabibitawan.
Episode 59 actually is showing right now, so you guys watch after. Thank you, Sir Jay. Before we wrap this up, I actually want to ask Sir Jay to share your thank you to our audience. Siyempre talaga, most watched tayo. Ano po yung magiging message mo sa ating taong bahay, ating mga manonood?
salamat po kagaya po na sinabi ng buong grupo na hanggang ngayon ay sumusubaybayan nyo. And we're just actually midway. So the contract is not yet over. So talagang we're just very happy. And when we started the program, we set out into we gave ourselves one big job order, which was to elevate Philippine action and also to give something that we can all be proud of, not just the entire team, but the audiences, that the Filipino can do something like this. And it's a tall order for everybody. Kaya we're still getting there. We're just in the midpoint of the entire project. So we're looking forward to more.
Palakpakan mo po natin tayo! Survey, may season mo po ba? Sir Jay, ayaw talaga mag-sayan. Okay. So, thank you so much, Sir Jay. And I would like to say thank you to everybody, especially to the ones who are watching online. Who are watching actually live ngayon, guys. And Contrast, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much to our media friends. And before that, we'd like to invite everybody to please. We are going to have a photo. Sir Jay, please join us. Picture of Contrast.
Moist talaga.
Boys, ako ang ating mga mom. Mag-picture muna tayo after that. Nasali ka ako lahat sa grupo. Salamat po ulit. Salamat po sa nanonood ngayon ng live. Mag-ingat po tayong gabi. Have a great night, everybody. Most watched in Netflix are my one.
Ikaw to, MJ.